Hello again, this is Doug the 2 Minute Gardener. I've got to show you this wonderful little plant. These are Iceland Poppies. Wonderful little annual. You can buy them by the pound in a seed mix and sprinkle them in the garden. Or here in the zones 8, 9, 10, you can get them in flats. Just get 16 of them in a flat, plant them in your garden for some quick, easy color. So these wonderful plants actually do well in zones a 3 through 10. They really are fabulous. If you sow them on the seeds, make sure the ground's at least up to about 50, 60 degrees. It's warmed up, so March, April, great time to sow them. And then they're going to bloom all the way through the summertime. The other great thing about these plants, they are great cut flowers. Oh my goodness, these little flowers last for days and days in the vase, and bees do love them, especially here early spring. I get mine by the flat. I stick them in the ground just to give them a little color in my rose garden before the roses have popped out, and they're just so fabulous. The bees finally find some flowers to nourish them. It's just wonderful to see the bees getting on these. But again, great cut flowers. You get them by the flats or get them by the seed mix. And by the way, there are links in the video description and the comment section if you want to order some seed mix. I think it's like $10 for a pound of seeds. Really easy to grow plant. Iceland poppies. They will come back a couple years. They're kind of like a short-lived perennial, but they're good for about 2 to 3 years. They'll come back and reseed. So again, Iceland poppies, wonderful little annual. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.